Is it visible? Like still?
I think you can just make it 125%. I think that would be better. I don't know about others. If you make it 125%, I think that would be better.
Okay. Sir, is it now fine? Sorry, I changed the wrong thing. Wait.
Yeah, fine. So just go to the data sheet first. So if I would like to see the relationships between savings and income, given the data set, what should I do first?
So it was earlier also done, like we did found the GDP at factor cost, and similarly we found the savings. Then we found the deflator using like GDP at current cost and like
Current price.
Current prices and constant prices. We found the deflator. We
So how to
multiplied.
get the deflator?
Like we divide it like current price by like constant price by current price.
No, you see.
Like if we want to get constant prices, then we multiply it by like constant price by current price, and if we want to get like current prices, we multiply it by current prices by constant.
Yeah, right. Like, then
so we got the like savings like that, multiplying the deflator by like the savings given at like.
Here actually we have done it by dividing GDP at current price.
Yeah.
By GDP at constant price. So subsequently what we have done, if you just put that cell with respect to savings, yeah, with respect to savings, yeah, you see we have divided. Okay. D2 by G2 we have divided. Okay. So that gives me savings at constant price. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then already we have the data on GDP at constant price.
Like these two are our data points now. Like
yeah. Now go to the other sheet, results verified.
I think estimation one, like.
Yeah, this is basically the estimation part.
Like we put it here and then we use this, like here we like use this regression tool to like get these things, like, and verified if the significant F is less, it is.
So here straight away we are getting the results, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I want to make use of different formula that we have studied, and if I just want to verify the results, how to go about it? These results verify, this worksheet basically talks about that, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Like, what are its implications? Like, kind of key. What is like percentile? What these coefficients are? Like.
No. I am saying when you are using the data analysis tool pack, right? Then straight away you are getting the regression results.
Yes,
right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
But in this worksheet, what we are doing, we are trying to get the same results by using the formula. We are trying to get it manually.
Yes. So that would be this sheet, like where the formulas are found manually.
Yeah. So if I want to verify the results manually from data on X and Y, what do I need to do subsequently? If you go to, I think sheet 1, no, just go to sheet 1.
Sir, sheet 1 is like again like what I
the results. Okay, go to results verify.
It is again the same, like.
Okay, so results day 1. Go there. Results day 1.
Yes, sir. It is the like sheet.
No, I think then estimation. This sheet. Go to sheet on estimation. Yeah, you see. What we have done here. we have derived small xi, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Like we
Just
can
see the column F, small xi. How to get it?
B2 minus like average, like
Average.
I minus average.
But here there is one very important point, because average is the given value, we need to fix it. Otherwise, as you drag it down, the reference cell will change and then will not get the correct deviation, right? So what we are doing, B2 minus average, and then we are fixing it by using the dollar sign. You see, this is the operator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Same we are doing for what? Yi, small yi, right? Now, what is the OLS estimator for getting beta hat?
OLS
means formula.
Like
Summation of small xi into small yi divided by summation of small xi square.
I will have to check. Like I don't remember it. Like
I'll tell you. No need to worry. You just keep on swaying. Okay. Now the formula is summation of small xi into small yi divided by summation of small xi square. So what I need? I need summation of small xi yi. So first what I'm doing, I am multiplying xi small xi with small yi. You see, that is column H.
Yes, sir.
Column H is basically talking about that.
Yes,
then
sir.
I am getting summation of small, I am getting small xi square, column I, and column J summation of, small yi square. And then you just go to the end, go to the end of the data set. You will see we have got all the summations. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now go to the top. Come here. What I'm getting here, beta hat. What is the formula? Summation of small xi into small yi divided by summation of small xi square. Just see the cell reference.
Yes, sir. Like there.
I just go down.
Like, sir, I can like make it like a small so that it comes one page. Still, it is not coming.
No, it will not come.
Like
so it is basically I think 47.
48.
48. Okay. So I 48
and H48, like XY and like
no, summation of small xi yi divided by summation of small xi square.
Yes, sir.
So that gives me beta hat.
Okay.
Now what is the OLS estimator of alpha hat?
Like it is like I think similar to that at 48.
Y bar minus beta hat x bar.
Y bar minus beta hat y bar minus beta hat x bar.
You see where I have y bar C48.
Y bar, yes, sir. This is average.
And D48 is actually x bar. No, B48, sorry. Let me just open it at my left.
Yes, sir. It is like B48 is x bar, like
X
average
bar,
of
right.
x.
So what is the formula? Y bar minus beta hat x bar. You see?
Yes, sir. Like
that gives me alpha hat. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now just go to the result day 1. Same result we are getting from the formula straight away. Sorry, by using the command. Same result we are getting straight away. It is given in results verify also. You can see in that worksheet. This is what we are getting when we are straight away using the command, right?
Yes.
And here we are doing it manually.
358 and that. Okay. Yes, sir. We are getting same.
We are getting same.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Alpha.
what else did we do the other day? Go to that sheet. Estimation.
Like covariance.
We
This.
got correlation coefficient between X and Y. You see?
Hmm.
What is the formula for correlation coefficient between X and Y?
That would be like sigma x I and upon like sigma xi sigma name del, like del symbol, or you can say median, like
Not square root.
variance.
Square root.
Square root of variance. Square root of variance.
Variances of X and Y means standard deviation of X and Y.
X and Y. Yes, sir.
We have done that.
Yes, sir.
And what correlation coefficient we are getting?
0.9906.
Go to the sheet results, verify. I said for a bivariate model, multiple R is nothing but the correlation coefficient between X and Y. We are getting the same thing.
Yes, sir. 9906. Okay.
Now, what is explained sum of square? ESS. Beta hat square into summation of small xi square. You can see the word file I have already written down today.
Yes, sir.
And this is what I am getting ESS. Now go back to the results, verify sheet. You see the ESS. Regression actually represents here. Table, no? Regression.
Yes, sir.
Regression sum of square means explain sum of square.
Okay.
Just go back, see in this sheet estimation whether you are getting the same result.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are saying.
Similarly, total sum of square. What is the formula for total sum of square? Summation of small yi square. Now already here you have summation of small yi square. Go to column number, column I. You see what you get here? Column I. That is summation of small yi square. No, next one. Yeah. Column I.
Why? Okay. Yeah. This one. 1127.
And if you subtract regression sum of square from total sum of square, you will get the residual sum of square, that is RSS.
Okay.
Am I right? And what is the formula for R square? What did we discuss today?
R square.
Explain sum of square divided by total sum of square.
Yes, sir. ESS by TSS.
ESS by TSS. Again, you go to the sheet on results, verify.
Yes, sir.
Go to the worksheet results, verify. You see the value of R square. It is given. Right. So what basically we are doing here, we are basically trying to understand the process.
Okay.
And I think at the beginning, if you just try to replicate this result sheet manually, I'll do it entirely in this course, in this class. Once we complete the testing of hypothesis part, you will see this entire result sheet will fill in manually the way we have done a part of it. because that will actually help you to understand the process.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
As of now, we have done detailed discussion about the concepts, about the formula up to this point. So you can see whatever results we are getting from the command, we are trying to get those results manually, and so far we could match it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I would suggest all of you just to follow this process whenever you get time. That will actually help you to apply the formula and link the results with what you have studied so far. Just try with a different data set on your own and see if you can replicate this result sheet manually. Now again, I'll stop for a while. I'll go for now the second part. What is that second part? That is change of origin and scale. I'll just suggest you to repeat the process by changing origin and scale of X and Y. What values you will take to change the origin and scale of these two variables, I am leaving it to you to decide what would be the value of ABCD. That so like decide on your own. Yes.
So it can become standardized, like you can tell it earlier. Okay. Like it would become standardized, so it would be easier to understand in case like if
okay,
someone.
So if I tell you the value.
Yes, sir. Like easy.
So you change the origin by say 100 for X, 200 for Y, and scale of X by 5 and scale of Y by 10, for example. So I am saying A is equal to say 100, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 200, and say D is equal to 15. And then I'll just give you some 5 to 10 minutes to repeat this exercise and let me know whether what I said during the course of discussions on theories, whether that is matching. What did I say? That if I change the origin and scale of X and Y, depending on how I am changing the origin and scale of X and Y, there would be change in value of alpha hat, value of beta hat, but R square value will remain the same. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So just verify at your end whether that holds.
Okay, sir.
I'll again stop for a few minutes and then I'll get back to you all to see whether that is working.